welcome to Rafas. So today we have a very sporty SUV with us. This is the Audi Q8 and I'm super excited to see what all it gets. So let's begin with the front of the car. You get the Audi LED matrix headlight setup over here with the laser headlight function for the high beam. These are the headlight washers. You get a new grille over here with vertical chrome. This is the 2D Audi logo. These are the ADAS sensors, silver finish to the bumper, and I think it looks super sporty. So talking about the rear end of the car, you get a sloping roof over here. These are the connected tail light setup, 2D Audi logo, again a Q8 battery, and I think the car looks very aggressive. Come, let's check out the. So this is the 605 liter of boot space. You get some storage space over here, then some storage space over here, and a parcel tray, and that's pretty much about it. The rear gets updated cuff plates over here. The front bumper has been changed with new intake design and chin spoiler.
So this is the side profile of the Audi Q8 and let's have a look at it. So when you look at the Audi Q8 from the side angle, you get to see that this is not any luxury 7-seater SUV sort of thing. Rather, it's more focused towards being the sports-oriented SUV, which only means performance. So you get this sloping roof sort of treatment at this angle of the car. The shoulder line is quite bold and all of that gives it a lot of character. So now the 2024 Q8 gets this redesigned alloy wheels that are finished in graphite grey, and the tire size is 285/45 R21. So you get 21 inches alloy wheels on this vehicle along with the red brake calipers that look absolutely sporty. One more interesting feature of the Audi Q8 is that you can change the light signature or the DRL pattern, as you call it in easy terms. So right here, this is the first one, and now we would change it to the second. This is the second one. Now comes the third, and now comes the fourth one. This one and this one illuminates. So this is a really cool feature, I would say, because a lot of us want to customize our vehicle or make it look different from everything else, but we don't want to go after the aftermarket accessory or anything, of course, if you own an Audi Q8. So this is a very cool feature, I would say.
So as soon as you get inside the Audi Q8, you are greeted by luxury. The interiors are pretty much the same and in the very Audi manner. It's very minimalist and simplistic, which I absolutely love. So over here on the dashboard, everything has been finished in piano black color. Then very premium soft touch material over here, quattro badging over here, and these are the buttons to adjust your AC vents, infotainment screen over here, one more touch screen over here. Then this is the volume rocker. I absolutely love physical buttons in a car. Parking sensors over here, and this is the button for park assist. Then these are for driver assist, start stop button, very nicely tucked in, 2 cup holders. A little bit of storage space over here. There's a wireless charger, you can charge your device on the go. Then 2 Type-C charging ports and some more storage space over here. I've put in my sunglasses. I feel all the Audi cars nowadays have very similar interiors. There should be some sort of differentiation between all the models. Never mind. So while you operate your infotainment screen, there's a very nice haptic feedback, and I absolutely love it. It's very intuitive to use and very smooth. I absolutely love this thing over here. If you don't want to type your destination, you can always write it over here.
Audi.
So now I'm sitting inside the backseat of the Audi Q8 and this place is quite spacious. The vehicle is so wide so you can easily fit in 3 passengers over here without any hassle. And when you talk about the features that are offered here, you get a 4-zone climate control with independent fan speeds, you get a panoramic sunroof, electric sun blinds, and you can also operate the sun blind of the other side of the vehicle right from this switch over here. So you get 2 operational switches over here. One is for your particular side and the other one is for the other one. So to operate them you just have to do this, and to open the windows again you have to use the same switch. Talking about the space inside, this vehicle is quite spacious and I will show you one neat trick. The rear seats are adjustable. Just in case you need a bigger boot space or if you want more legroom for yourself, you can always adjust your seats. And one thing that I did not really like about these seats are the fact that these adjustments are manual. For a car costing over a crore rupees, I guess these should have been powered at least. So over here you also have a 12-volt charger and a cigarette lighter. You have a separate cigarette lighter along with 2 ashtrays, one here and the other one on the right side. So in case you are somebody who loves to smoke, the Q8 is your vehicle because you have a dedicated cigarette lighter along with ashtray. The major highlight of the back seat, or you can say the whole of in-cabin experience inside the Audi Q8, is the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You get 16 speakers on offer and the sound quality is absolutely mind-blowing. You feel as if you're already immersed inside the sound or music that you're listening to, and you're engulfed by this whole 3D sound feeling, and it's just brilliant. I just love it. Talking about the features again, you have this central armrest with twin cup holders and they open up in a very nice way. They pop out like this. So it all feels quite nice while you're being chauffeured in your Q8.
So there haven't been any big changes under the hood. The Audi Q8 55 TFSI still runs on a 3-liter V6 turbo petrol engine that delivers 340 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. So this power is sent to all 4 wheels through Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. So the engine doesn't shout about its power, instead it delivers it smoothly. You have the sense that there's always more power available when you need it, but it only really shows its full strength when you push it. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.6 seconds and tops up at 250 kilometers per hour. That's crazy, right? So what's impressive about the Audi Q8 is how calm and refined it feels. You won't hear much from the engine in normal city driving, and road or wind noise is kept to a minimum. However, there's one change. The Audi Q8 now only comes with steel springs instead of the previous air suspension. So does it mean a rougher ride? Not at all. It handles bumps very well and doesn't feel overly stiff, even on its large 21-inch wheels. The Q8 is designed to prioritize comfort over sporty handling, and it does that really well. So when it comes to handling corners, the Q8 is smooth and controlled. While it's not the most agile SUV, given its size and weight, it still feels quite enjoyable to drive, especially with the Quattro all-wheel drive, helping it to maintain the grip and stability.
So I'm behind the wheel of the Audi Q8, and this vehicle comes with the 3-liter V6 petrol engine, and the power figures are just insane. You wouldn't expect an SUV to perform this good usually, until it's a luxury brand, of course. But when you put your foot down, the Q8 just sprints off the line. It just feels phenomenal. So as we know, the 2024 Audi Q8 now comes equipped with the steel springs instead of the air suspension, which used to be a standard feature across any variant of the Q8 before. So I would say the ride quality has not gone down by any means. It is as smooth as before, and it soaks up all the bumps and imperfections perfectly without any hassle. Also, when you drive your Q8 in a steady or a spirited driving manner, the suspension is perfectly tuned and you don't feel like the car is bouncing or it just doesn't feel stable or anything like that. It stays firm, it stays confident even when you drive it at higher speeds, and in lower speeds it is as comfortable as before. So the overall driving feel of the Audi Q8 is just amazing. You sit at a very high position, higher off than any other vehicle on the road, so you feel that commanding and like you're ruling the road kind of feeling, while also you know that your vehicle is quite powerful and it can just sprint whenever you feel like doing that.
And as always, Audi has nailed the lighting game in this vehicle as well. And as you can see, the ambient lightings are really impressive. Let me just show you. We go to background lighting, and there are various combination of lights as the preset function already. So you go for the impulse, so it's a combo of white and red. Maritime, that's blue and yellow. Caribbean, that's more of a tropical thing. That's, I don't know what color is this, cyan and yellow. And we can also keep it individual, so you can choose the surface lighting, that is for these colors, the bolder ones. So we choose green for now. So as you can see, these lights have turned green. And then we can go for the contours, that is for these smaller highlights which are currently in blue. And you can also change the color from over 30 colors. From 30 colors you can customize which one do you like and you want to have. So right now I'll turn it to red, and as you can see, it's a combo of green and red now. Another thing is that this quattro badging over here also gets illuminated with the ambient lighting. So all of these really combine and give you that very premium and luxurious feeling when you're inside the Q8.